fish I'll be using to smoke is rainbow trout. Member of the salmon family, this beauty is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and it's perfect to smoke. Other fish to use are mackerel, salmon, sea bass, tuna, sailfish, sablefish, sturgeon, bluefish and mullet, all fantastic for smoking. For the dry brine, add salt and brown sugar to a bowl. Followed by some thyme and mix well. Rub the dry brine all over the fish, now place in the fridge for 1 hour. I place the fish on a rack to cure, so there's a place for the moisture to go. After 1 hour, rinse the fish thoroughly and pat dry well with a paper towel. For this recipe, I'll be using a stovetop smoker. Also, some superfine oakwood chips. Place chips in the middle. Add foil, the rack, fish, and cover. I use an induction which worked great. Slightly open the cover when you see smoke, close, and smoke for 15 minutes.